Hello guys, something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later is basically a Windows update error, and many other occasions this error will appear on your screen. And to fix this issue, simply go to Windows search, type services and choose under best match services app. Click on it to open services windows in Windows 10 and Windows 11. In services windows, find out update orchestrator services and double click on it. In Windows property, go to a startup type and choose the option automatic. Click on start if it is not enabled and apply and OK button. If this service is already running in your system, then right click on it or choose restart. Windows Update Orchestrator services will restart and your problem will be resolved accordingly.